Well, change is inevitable and change can lead to growth. So the more you are open to change, the more you are open for growth. With that being said, and then let us see what Blender has to offer in the area of change. Now this is the default scene. Let me go from object mode to edit mode. If you want, you can go it from here, or you can either press tab button on the keyboard. Here we have got vertex mode, edge mode and face mode. You can either click here or click 1 2 3 on the keyboard. That is also an option that the developers have given us. The next tool will be Extrude Individual. Extrude Individual does this thing that it says. If I select 3 of these faces and click and drag these faces, it's going to extrude it perpendicular to that face. Extrude Individual. So the different kind of faces you select, it will be extruding it along its normal. You can select different faces with the help of shift. Press and hold shift and then click on the face. Now I have selected 3 faces, and if I click and drag this yellow dot, it's extruding inside, but I want to extrude it outside. This is how we can make changes to the object, and this was the tool called Extrude Individual. If you like this video, if you like this format, press the like button, press the subscribe button, and if you want to support me wholeheartedly, you can go on the Patreon page. Link will be given in the description. Until then, you try it, learn it and understand it. Till then, I will meet you. Goodbye.